By now, you must have been tired of hearing that income tax website has launched a new portal. But as a taxpayer, you don't know what you need to do. Well, in today's video, we will tell you what are the things that you need to ensure that have been transferred correctly at the income tax portal before you even get ready with filing your income tax return for the current financial year. Hey there, I'm Sonia Davar, Chartered Accountant and Business Finance Coach. And on this channel, we share with you all the tips, tools, and resources that you need to start and grow your profitable business, save lakhs of rupees on taxes, file your taxes correctly, and build your own wealth. So the first thing that we will see in today's tutorial is once you log into your income tax portal, I want you to update your profile. I specifically want you to update your name, address, your email ID and your phone number at the new income tax portal, because now your income tax portal will be matching all the data that is available as per your PAN card with the Aadhaar card, and if there are any mismatches, then you might have some problems later on after you finish your filing with respect to e-verification of your return, and you may even get some problems with getting your income tax refunds properly because all the data are not updated correctly. So the first thing that you need to do is update your profile. Select a bank account which is pre-validated at the income tax portal for any future income tax refunds that are pending. So without further ado, let's get onto my screen where I will show you the tutorial on how to log into the income tax portal and what to do after that. In order to log into your income tax website, you need to go to your browser and type in incometax.gov.in. Now that you are at the income tax portal, you will see various options to log in here. On the top right corner of this page, there is a login button. You can click on that login. So if you see here, they have mentioned the options that you have available to choose your user ID. So for individuals, they have given that you can log in using PAN card or using Aadhaar card. So if you are an individual, you can either enter a user ID as your PAN card or your Aadhaar card, and you will be able to log into this portal. Now, many people are asking this question that do you need to re-register yourself at the new income tax portal? And the answer to that question is no, you don't need to register at the new income tax portal. If you were already registered at the old income tax portal, you have to use the same login ID and password which you were using at the old income tax portal to log into this new portal. So I'm going ahead and typing my user ID to log in to the new income tax portal. Pressing on continue, you get other screen where you are being asked to confirm the secure access message and enter your password. So whatever password you were using at the old income tax website, you have to re-enter the same password here. And then press on continue. Now that you are logged into this platform, the first screen that you will see inside the new income tax portal is the option where you can update your profile. If you are using pre-filled data, a lot of the data would be pulled out from your profile. So it's always a good idea to go ahead and check your profile at the new income tax portal. So I'm going and clicking on update profile, and I'll show you how you can update your own profile. The first message that I'm getting here is that there is a mismatch of details between PAN and profile. So you want to go ahead and check if there is a mismatch and correct that error if there are any changes. If I see here, you get two options: update in PAN database, or the second option is update in Aadhaar database. So this system is automatically computing the data which you have as per your Aadhaar card and as per your PAN card, and you need to make sure that your name, your date of birth, your gender, your permanent mobile number, email ID and address matches as per PAN card and as per Aadhaar card. Here it is highlighting the address area for me to show that there are differences in the two addresses, but if I see them closely, then the difference is only in the way I have written the address at the two platform. Ideally, there has to be similarity in the way that you are writing the address at your PAN card as well as your Aadhaar card. If there are changes that you have changed your address or you have moved out to a new address, I would highly recommend you to update the database so that correct information is being shown at PAN card and as well as your Aadhaar card. Now, if you see on the left hand side, there are various options, and you can go ahead and click on these options and see the information that has already been updated here. So, here I can see all the bank accounts that I have linked at the portal, and I can also see the status of validation that is already updated on the portal. So, if I have already validated any account, I have to make sure that I have that account clicked on. Here there is a button which is the account which is clicked on, where your income tax refund will be shown. So you want to make sure that you have selected the bank account which you want to nominate for refund, and if there is any validation in progress, you don't choose that account, because in such cases there will be delays or you might not really receive the refunds in the bank account that have not yet been pre-validated. If you want to know how you can validate it, you can let us know in the comments, and there will be another video where we can give you a tutorial on how you can pre-validate the bank account at the new income tax portal. If you would like to add any bank accounts, you have the option at the button here which you can click on and update your bank accounts at the income tax portal. As a right measure, you have to ensure that all the bank accounts that you are holding are updated in this area. If you see the information listed here, by adding your bank account, you can add a bank account to receive refund. EVC will also be enabled. So there are certain benefits that they have mentioned, that once you add your bank account, you will be able to do all of these things at the income tax portal. To come back to your profile, you can click on the back button and you will come back to your dashboard.